Hello, 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 hello. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy weekend. How are you doing? How is you staying at home being? How you coping? How you guys doing? Hope everybody is doing fine. Everybody is doing well. We have to be doing well. We have to stay safe, stay at home, and thank God. Thank God. Even this lockdown, this staying at home, we still need to thank God. We still need to thank God because now people don't die. Now people dey hospital, okay? And we dey inside. We no need to complain. All we need to do is just stay safe and pray that so that the whole thing will be over very soon. Okay, as we can see am now, no be only us wey be say we no get money, no be only us dey inside. Na everybody na dey inside, both your pastor, both your football team, the person wey you like for football. The other day I saw a video on Instagram, Facebook too, that Cristiano Ronaldo dey inside house. He wipe the barb in hair because not be wipe the barb before, because this shutdown he can't go nowhere. You know, if you even call the barber now, may come barber for house because everybody, you have to stay indoor. Even my hair now don't grow. They use wig because my hair don't grow. I no fit shave on. I no fit shave on. I no fit even call my barber make come barber because everybody have to stay on. Everybody dey your own, no, yours dey your own. Stay on your own. Even me and my husband, we not for stay together. So in day in your house, give me this one. I dey on my own because of this. I will not say the same city. Because this thing now, everybody have to stay on his or her own. I even like her like that. You understand? So now, we know if we just dey like that and they complain. Instead, make they thank God. Yesterday I watched news. I share it on my YouTube. We are progressing. We are making progress because so far the death rate they say it don't reduce. They talk about for news yesterday, they don't reduce. Cause as the thing never finished, they have to put 2 weeks more here. This I won't do this pain. You go know if you watch news. If they watch news since definitely yesterday, you go know what I talk. So as it never finished totally, they still have to put more 2 weeks again till the 25 of this month or 26. We still have to be indoor because they need to, you know, or even though they do things half, they need to make sure everything they okay first. So they have no choice than to still say, try this more, we still need to day, well, no problem. If you take container for your safety, you day inside, stay safe, okay? If you go outside, sanitize your hand, wash your hand. Before you come back, wash your hand. You have to do the enter clean, wash, you know, because maybe some now. When I get family for her, so no be like they say to save the others too. That's why they say we all should stay indoor. So no problem. We thank God. So far so good. All I have to say is thank you, Jesus, because I'm here. And now people they mortuary, now people they hospital. They are nothing better than I am. They're not better. I not better reach them. That's what I mean to say. I not better reach them when they say I'm me. Can't they, yes, so I even can't they do live video to, you know, we should encourage ourselves and all of that. I thank God. God, may God take only now laying. And we pray make him make this whole thing finish very soon. And why I come today? Today message is I was waiting for this thing naturally since, because I said I will talk about it. Yes, I will talk about it. I was waiting like this month because since about Monica and Lolo, mommy Monica and mommy Lolo, okay, because they senior me. No, me, I dey respect elders, I dey respect anybody, not until you offend me. I no care again. So I said I will talk, but I dey wait since okay, because people see the feel say na April Fool, April when this whole thing starts, April Fool. So I was like, let's wait, but since and you never tell I can't see this video for a Apoko. No, me I get with you, I take passion. Now that one be better complex
food in your world. Now you problem, person problem. That one.
I saw this. I don't know what they do. What they do the video now. Could make me even see when he share. So like, so this thing is not April Fool. Okay. Okay, saga must continue. Whether you like it or not. At least now, when we're inside our house, quarantine, we're inside our house, not get anything, we will not no work. Even those who are not for the work before, they were happy. For me, I'm not for the work before. So now I want to look for work when coronavirus for the time being, for the main time, I will use until day. And I don't get problem with this one. Say they quarrel because definitely I don't get problem with that one at all. No, cause now what must happen? Husband and wife, they say that they quarrel. They quarrel sometimes. What you call to a friend? It will happen. My problem be to those hypocrites. Now don't have my problem. If you come across this video, please subscribe to my channel. Just be kind, you know, please, thank you. My problem be hypocrite people. Hypocrites. We are too hypocrite for my so many you guys are so hypocrite for my liking. We're not too the hypocrites. You guys are too hypocrites. Since when I got to know Monica and Lolo, when I constantly say they be afraid for this social media, all of us they. Somebody they don't take into my eye. I don't hear them. They don't even do video. So many video like that say that this day when be say Monica and Lolo they quarrel, people don't they wait for them. Then why are you guys not being hypocrite about it now? Maybe what they fast and pray for? You many don't they fast and pray say make Katakata enter their body. Nezaza ga lying gbe. Since it don't happen, make una sit down enjoy the tree, make una enjoy the thing. Kuna what to some of una net let me okay make an you say 90% of many and so many will be say that they call Monica now they don't divide and some they get 3 face 4 face they will call Monica they will talk one thing they will call Lolo they will talk on that thing. You people are now wicked, because you guys are so wicked now. You don't want to go see comments. You now go see comments. You now go see comments because this like nobody in all the body, nobody. All of you know what they do face here and there. Always white be brown, also white be. No, so go call them the same people because I say na different people they do. If you want you stay one side, make una stay one side. For me, I don't hate Lolo. I don't hate Mommy Lolo. I don't hate Mommy Monica. Right from time, I they follow 2 of them up. I they now even me and Mommy Monica, they don't even talk since last year or was it last year or early last year? I don't know. We don't talk. We they talk. I don't send that thing. That's but some things when we say I be won't do. I call the sender. Me and Lolo never talk on phone one-on-one. But I don't hate her. I don't hate her. And I love the 2 of them. I love the 2 of them together. But if they are good separating, no problem. It's okay like that. If they will be good, if they go they good, say this one going on, this one is doing, this one is doing, fine. So that peace go reign. Una when they use kona mago they say no quarrel make una do this. Now una mind una they pray say make the fire enter momo. God I wish God of your strike some of una. Yes, una too wicked set of people. Una when be commenters when they watch now they put fire for the thing. Once the fire don't catch, it don't they catch well. Una call they withdraw. Una call they withdraw. And they see some they call. This one, they will call Monica, they will insult Lolo for her. They will call Lolo, they will insult Monica. I use they look them. Which people be this? But now they will come. You people should not quarrel. Make una no quarrel. Make una hypocrites. Hypocrites. No friend. no use. Now I come the other day, I say my own story about my useless family. Say I not get family, I not get brother, I not get sister. So cause they call me. Nobody know they no. If you want die with your own, I say may die with your own. No problem. If they want to bring it out, let anybody that want to bring his own, and let them bring them out. Una they will they enjoy themselves. Una they pretend say una not the enjoy. Why are they hypocrites? Why? Why are you guys so hypocrites? I hate it. If I like, I do you something, tell me. Then I'll probably if I don't like you, I will show you. I'll tell you I don't like you. I know if you come, they follow you, they laugh, and some people they like don't say they be real devil. They will be they will hate you personally. They will hate everything about you. They will hate your gods. They will hate how God they bless you. But they'll still they laugh with you. God will punish you now. If you don't like me, tell me. And stay away from me. Because if I don't like you, I will tell you, I will stay the fuck away. I will stay away from you. I will stay the fuck away from you, okay? When I thought they be hypocrites. Hypocrite is very bad. It's too very it's not good. The Lolo, I saw the video that mommy Lolo did. Me, I never even know say now people come they translate and they say I'm Monica the turtle. I be not know. So God who made me go when they say everybody heart. I be not now when people come now when they come they see comments and all. Okay, before as I see that video now I say I can't do this video because I they see comments, I they see people take a call when I go say these people una too wicked. If they won't talk, because I don't know if anybody be like me, nobody will not be the same. Some people they prefer to keep on me side. They think they shop they like wish they will fit survival. Some people if they never talk them out, they no go fit. So you stay the fuck. Keep your own. Cause one day you or all of them when they use fake accounts, they comment, they talk different rubbish, you go reach you now. If you not bring up an yourself, person will they close to now will bring them. What there was it not last week here? I did the video of my life story when I talk about myself and all. Some people begin talk rubbish, some people begin talk well, some people when we say it happened to, when we say they see them my own shoe, they see talk when and all. If you don't talk and you don't come out, that one never fafa. On the way fafa you tell Rene. Now Monica and Lolo, and this Monica and Lolo, it don't dey ground since when I can even record. It was only last month I recall. Say the whole thing when Monica go Nigeria, yeah. The whole thing come they hear something. Me they talk and then they go finish. All that saga go come, go cover am. You know go see that one again. But if they not talk, the thing will continue. And some of you now, the way they pay me for inside now, some of you now when they call, not talk or not this one. Within una they pray, make the fire enter momo. Why? Why? Why are you guys so wicked? Why are you guys being so hypocrites? If they want to talk, make them talk. If they won't separate, if they won't come together. You guys are not the one that bring them together for the first place. All of una, 95% of una, when they say, when they call mommy, Lolo, mommy, Monica, this one, una not there when they know. So if they won't settle, they are grown, they be big woman. They not big. Because I don't know what they worry Africa when we say, person go don't pass 18 years. They will say they won't sell now, waiting you won't do. Are you mad? Now you make me, if you like you reach 100, you know what you want to do. You know reach your time waiting I want to do. You too small. Because first, my father not tell me what I want to do. Because I'm old and big enough. And to even start with, when I start the journey of my life, my father, nobody did there. So they no fit tell me with nobody. If I respect you, even taste more, you're stay calm. Because you know you are first, you not be my God. You are not my God. Okay? One now they do over sabi, they pretend, they talk. And it not come from our mind, it not come from our hearts. Hypocrite people. It not come from our hearts. I wish it come from me and now. Those one when they tell saying, make una not quarrel, make una. If for even that's the thing for even, if for even good, but it not come from our hearts. If una you call the phone finish, the next thing some of una. Now all money is as I made lion gbena. Yama way, yan offer no mega. Next some of una they talk, am I lying? Waga itafune waga drop a phone. The next thing waga pray. The prayer one they pray is all this why. When we say all of una 95% of this social media, one they comment, they call, they do everything. All of una they pray since make enter their body, make the quarrel so that the secret one I want here. Say Monica and Lolo won't talk about each other, they won't talk. Since they won't talk, and make una rest, make una know they do hypocrite here and there. They call. They say I say make I enter, I they make up, make I come Facebook and YouTube come draw small video for. From here now they go Facebook. Yes. Me I come draw small video for YouTube here, then I'll go Facebook about Monica and Lolo. And about hypocrite people. Now I say make I enter Instagram as I they make up. Now I say Monica did there. Cause I follow Monica for Instagram, I follow Lolo. The next thing when I see Mommy Monica they Instagram, I they follow Monica. Now before now, I never sound say Monica do like 400 close to 500 do wash. No. When I they follow 100 2 yes. Before I know when Lolo put on for say confession, many people don't go find am for Instagram. Go the wash and see am here. And at the one when I even take with this one 400 something. Before I come commode, he can't go 500 before she go off on live. Say she won't on Facebook. He was going to 500. I will say, you see them. Una say una no like fight oh, una no like quarrel. Before una hear film, una don't reach there. If na word of God, now that thing that they talk about how the country, how everything wanted they good, they not go see una there. But una say una no like, remember what they pay me for una na? Una like make we just talk, make we just talk. Stop being hypocrites. Because if you not like her, you follow the washer. Before now, say she enter Facebook, me I say, even if she did Facebook, I will go. I say she did Facebook. Before she go say she dey come Facebook like this, all of una don't fly region. Una don't fly. Una won't go here. Una won't go here.
Oh, 2 o'clock from
Sian.
midnight. Now see, man, they call me.
Sian. She's here now. Close to 3K view. You see them? But they go say they're not like some they call for the phone, for the Instagram they call. So they call Mommy Lolo this. It's bad. It's bad. Me, I don't like you, and I don't like them, I don't hate them. Yeah, that's the best way to put it. I not like them, I not hate them. I not like the two of them together, I not like the two of them separate. But anyone when you go good for them, make them choose by themselves because they are old enough to choose. I told my story the other day. Some people, me, there is no friend. Useless family, no even they want to talk of friend. My own, let me tell the talk and now say no family. Nothing like family, not talk of useless friend. Family, not they me not get now. Because why? Because waiting you don't see for life. If your own pass, keep on to yourself. My own, it was like I talk and it did YouTube, it did Facebook. Why I do that video? Because me na person will say if I say I won't do one. And if people want to know say I tell. They were like, no. You know, if you tell me what I won't do. No, the best way they feel, not even tell me waiting I want to talk, you will not get what they contribute to my life. Hey, you are old enough, and I not be 16 years old. Okay? Or you born here, Europe here, once you don't reach 18, you are old enough you to take your decision. Either it's good for you or it's bad for you, then you face it. Simple. No black, though they take grown up older people to waiting they won't do. Why are you guys like that? Why? As I say, people be small children, and they be una children, one they push around like toy. I get my own decision. I get my own way of thinking. You get. I know if you're gonna tell you, say, see what you want to do. If it's good for you, do it. I come to that just for me to be free, because I know when the thing happen to me, when useless fucking family, when be say, person you go even help person, you say that your family, you help and finish, he go won't put you for prison. You can say you get family. Now it make me can't do those videos when it can go viral. All the thing when we say I can't talk later, I can't take from desert this one. I just go stand for the beginning again. But the main thing when he push me to come do that video, now be the first video when I do, I talk say, person when I call family, I help and put for my house. You know they pay be nothing else for this. He almost put he almost put me for prison, joiner, for my help again. So I was forced to cry out. And the thing, now last year happened, the thing don't they shop me. It don't they shop me. No, but I feel like, if the people where they test since then, they ask me, your brother, your sister, your this one, I say, I don't get. They don't understand. They also want, and the thing, I don't want to hear that from my ear. They also want to talk. Now I go say, me I can't do it. Because nobody when go say, can never watch that video now. Me I can't do a worldwide, so that if I tell you say I not get brother, I not get sister, you go, then no just for no come with your Simon. I don't want hear them. Say with friends. If you thought say friend, you don't need them again. Now so you should stay on your own. Friend don't do me, but the one way you let family do me, he pass friend don't. He pass friend. If not friend, we even do that one. Say wow, they thought say friend, but so. Some of una there now, for una to they use those things that they learn, they begin talk rubbish. Why? This friend Monica and Lolo, everybody know for social media, the one they take they do, the one they take they dress the same, do the. You see now, that's what tell you say no friend. It should be they talk and no useless family. I talk and say friend. You not there, no one there. For me, you feel the thought say you get a family. That's your own. Thank God say you come for Israel family, because if they never do something, when it's strong for your eye, you no say bad family day. So the one we don't experience and when you thought say they not get, take her like that. Not gonna tell me trash. Okay? That's why I thought say make anybody not call me. Make anybody not ask my name to use less name. Because it will be me and that person. It will turn to you and my own. You guys should stop being hypocrites and learn from this. For now, so some of them now, when I say they put friends for head, they say they do. Learn from this. Learn. Waiting use let family do me say I put on. I even can't put devil when I call say family sister. Put on. I don't know say be the worst devil. Waiting it do. It don't they make me to even scare. That's it. I know they feel they free with anybody again. I know they fit again. I'm no longer free. I'm no longer comfortable. Cause I not trust me. I not fit you not fit trust family. Not talk or say friend. I not fit again. I was like, if family fit do this one, who can be friend? We no go do the worst. We no go do the one pass that one. So now, as I am now, I know they no. If I dey if me and you dey or I dey black, you know say if anybody dey with anybody they like reserve, they open, they won't even near people again. No say na wetin you don't see. This my house wey no let me dey 3-bedroom. I was like, okay, since now let me dey this one. I heard the idiot with the pikin come here. He say in the streets. Help her come here. The next thing, just because he say he want abandon the he pikin for me, I say I no go carry. The next thing a police they call for me say I bring and come say she dey pay for me. So you come even if person they die now, person they die, he dey streets. Where they beat and there, where they beat and there, so they dry and not fit put you for my house again. That's life experience for you. Okay? If you never see, not pray me you see. Or if you won't see, not wait, you go reach your hand one day. Yes. Because before, Lolo and Monica, people for social media, when we say I never they do my video, they don't feel they talk about this small thing before. But we know, I know here. See, you almost can't send me to prison. But now I no fit even let friend come. No. If now for visit, you come 1 week. So I'll come put you for my house. Never. If you like, now only the rest 2 rooms I they put my things. Now let me there here. My husband not complain. Before he not even complain. Now heart of it to her well, okay. Make she know the outside, make the baby to know the outside. But I know if I wish I know, so I don't want when my meaning for want to go prison. I for not put her. But thank God for life experience that will not teach you. It will teach you about life. Now, no fly the entire year. If you like, you they die, you they streets. And not that if good people first they will that one be the bad way people go do, they'll take block other people way. You know? They'll use and block other people way. Good people for they now be say they don't get that intention to give you problem. Only now help they only for me, say me you help them. But because of the bad ones, you know I won't help the good ones again. At least not in my house, even if I want outside. No, you know if you come my house. I no fear help you for put my house again. Cause the last one when I see, he reach me. It don't now so black people they block road. Anywhere that they go, they block them. That's it. They go blow. Make sure say they block that place. For other good people, they will block them. Those are experience. I talk and some they talk rubbish. Some never see until the one way some go see. You go take on ahead. Me, I see it for it and I make me cut all the story. But if you not learn, stay away from useless, shine your eye now and stay away from useless friend, useless family. May you all know worse too. Make it no worse. All of now when they tafia, they do Monica this way, but they do hypocrite. Una never wash closely now. Wash where? When near una. The devil in human form when it near una. Una never wash now. Make una learn. Una they carry friend put for head, they carry friend put for head now. Una not say make una learn. Or say no. If you not learn from people, they say it good may make you learn less from other people's story, so that make it not happen to you. No, some of una prefer make it happen to una. Yes, una prefer make it happen to una direct before una will learn, and it's very bad, very very bad. And it was so unfortunate that I have to learn it in a hard way first before I can say okay now I no get brother, I no get sister. Yes, and if anybody, why I do that video, anybody don't say, if you didn't hear me, anybody ever talk about brother or sister from my ear again, God will to punish you. Because if they will do you, that will good for you. Yeah, if you don't know, I mean, the way you God die. I say I don't want. If you anybody talk can again, now make me do that video. What do I? If you try and I feel like I won't do now. So people they tell say family issue. Or when nigga, if prick strong, if you don't release, it will come. Ekia inyaga wegbegbe oga iye no ibonzo. Eni ga wegbegbe bonzo o bonzo. you go cut. So if you say your own the keke, your own the roti, you won't see keep and they hide and leave. Nobody asks you. Hide down, where. Let those that want to say, whatever they want to say, let them say. Hide your own. Hide and where. Make another person not go bring them out. Okay? Hide it. Because some people did this social media. Their matter self, not be they bring them out. Now another people are pro people now go bring and come out. So hide your own. Hide and well. Make sure you cover and well. Make sure you cover and because this social media. You all back but you say most of una will use fake account, they write, they commit rubbish. Almost about God will punish you on one day now. Yes. God will punish you on one day. That's social media one of the hide from one of the because una they hide, but una they use fake account, they commit rubbish. And that person go bring now. Then the world will see you now. Yes, stay away and stop being an hypocrite. Una hypocrite too much. You don't get part two. You guys are too hypocrite for my liking. Monica and Lolo. Hey, Saga na quarantine season we there. Quarantine season. If all this women of una they enjoy now, but una the person not they enjoy now. Una they happy before they all live video film. Una they the first line. The first line now una they. But na let them like no. Stop being an hypocrite. Stop being an hypocrite. For God's sake, stop. If they want to, like, is as they did their heart now, as they did their mind now, make this one they talk, this one they talk. Make they talk and once it go finish. Before you know, and that's saga, before you know, he go come out, he go cover around. Finish. But those of now, when they go, they call now, this one, that one, una they pray for una hearts there. No, una fair pray, say, make this thing happen. I hear some of una voice. I hear right from town when some of they talk and many they talk and wait, Monica Lolo now. And there's a secret thing. Not be the secret they open so. Sit back and enjoy it. Cause your prayer, God don't answer. It have been answered. God never answered those of them when they pray, say, make quarantine their body. Since God don't answer on a prayer, make una know they go, they call, they phone good, because una no good. Hypocrites. Now una be. Una know una self. You guys should stop being hypocrites. Stop being an hypocrite. Okay? Since una prayer don't, God don't answer on a prayer, make una enjoy them. Make una enjoy them. Make una go there, they call, if una call the call finish, now say, oh man, they my matter waiters as I'm going. Never enough now they do. Never enough now they do. Make una stop. It's very bad. It's very bad. I love the two of them. I like the two of them. If they won't date together, make they date together. If they won't date on their own, make they date on their own. Now so Peter and Paul won't come the other time. So people go say, I see they follow them for Instagram. If they don't live video, this one when they tell Peter say, go and settle with your brother. You know what they tell Paul say, go and settle with your brother. Is it your business? You're good. What's your business? Then when they say they want their own, they don't know what they do. You know if you read the slippers when they take even match grand, you not rich. Now you won't come to the same make they go settle. Now you fair cause the quarter for their body. Make una live down not too much. If they are good, Peter and Paul, they are good. They get peace. They get joy being on their own, doing their own music. This one is doing this one is doing you. They don't want to doing you. Let them be. It's better than they go there together. They use tongue. They use see the shop each other. They use see the shop each other. It's better because I know what una won't see. Una want me one day make big fight enter between them. Me one can't kill each other. Me they don't want to kill. Now that one are the fine. Make una live. They now too much. Make una go face una life. They are okay. Probably those of now when they talk say go settle with your brother. Una not even get house. Una not get house. Una not even get where to sleep. Not to talk of food. When I want shop tomorrow. Now they talk of people when we say don't better pass. Una when we say before una die. Una not go even feel rich. People should get the fuck out. If people choose, anybody choose to be, people choose say they don't get family, make una live like that. People don't choose say they don't get friend, leave it like that. At least there will be peace. Peter and Paul is there. When they say they do their own, when they do you, we never hear quarrel. It's good like that. Me, I like it like that. If they will be okay like that, let everybody be. Because some brother and sister, they're wicked past devil. They are wicked. If you feel say I wicked, this way the other one feel say you wicked. Separate. Be on your own. More now go settle on our own. Now good pass. Some of una when they talk, Peter and Paul, they like this one. Una they use cutlass the position that some of una don't use gun take kill una brother, kill una sister. Now see come Max. You and settle with your brother. Peter, you know the shame. Paul, you know the shame. What is your business? What is your fucking business? You better reach them. Are you better than them? Are you better than them? No go face your life. Now their life they do so. No go face your own. Useless motherfucking people. You now go down a body. You go they smell. Una so una no they bring a come out. People when you bring their own come out. Make una know they talk rubbish put. If you know you can't watch it, get the fuck out. Okay? And stop being an hypocrite. This message today now by hypocrite people. You guys are so hypocrite. Some of them they are pissed that they quarrel. But una go pass back there. It's bad. Very bad. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I hate hypocrite people. If I don't like you, I'll tell you I don't like you. I know if you come I know if you to. That's why if person show to me say in bad, in get evil mind, I will run from the person. I will run from you. Because I like me, you tell me say you don't like me. So that I'll know because those people now they're wicked. You imagine the idiot when I put for house. I wish he tell me say he get that bad belly, he first show to me. I for not let her come my house. But they will follow you, they laugh, they will they plan death for you. That one they bad. Now you will they draw the near body, not knowing that they don't like you. If they see what you go kill, they will give. They will draw themselves near you so that you can't they eat with them. How you eat with enemy? Your life is at risk. Now that you see so, what you keep person read that thing no good. Monica say na no say na Monica. Now God can't know. But if they will be okay apart, let them be. Get the fuck out and stay. Mind your business. In one day, your own will come out. Bye.